make me different from other animals. The little god jumped up and shouted that, go away. The kangaroo went away dancing in the middle of Australia. He was very proud of himself. He was very proud indeed. He went to the middle god in Quang. Next, he left the little god. The kangaroo went near the middle god in Quang. The little god is in Quang and the middle god is in Quang. Okay, he went near the in Quang. He went to the middle god in Quang and said, make me different from all other animals. The kangaroo said that, God, make me different from other animals. Make me very popular. And also said that, make me very popular. Here the kangaroo wanted to become very popular. So, up jumped the middle god and Quang and shouted, go away. Even how the little god in Quang did like that. Same thing only. The middle god, what is that name? The middle god in Quang. In Quang. The middle god name is in Quang also shouted that, go away. So he shouted on the kangaroo that, go away. The kangaroo went away dancing in the desert in the middle of Australia. Again with the dancing of in the desert of middle of Australia, the kangaroo went away. He was very proud of himself. He went to the great God. Next again, then also the kangaroo was feeling that he is only great. He is only proud. He was feeling proud by himself and went to the great God in Quang. Next, the great God means the big God in Quang. He went to the big God in Quang. He went to the great God in Quang and said, again the kangaroo said the same thing only. Make me different from all other animals. Make me very popular and the most sought after animal. And again the kangaroo said that, ದೇವ್ರೇ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡು, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಂದ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡು, ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ವೆರಿ ಫೇಮಸ್, ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ನಾನು ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸೋ ಥರ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. ಅಪ್ ಜಂಪ್ಡ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಗಾಡ್. ಅಪ್ ಜಂಪ್ಡ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟ್, even though the god, the great god Enkong also up jumped up and shouted, and also this god also shouted, but here what the god shouted is not go away. The god shouted that, yes I will. Okay, ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದು ಫೈನಲಿ the great god Enkong agreed for the kangaroo's request. Enkong called Dingo, a yellow dog, always hungry and always dusty. The great god Enkong called Dingo. Dingo means a yellow dog. There was one dog. That dog name is Dingo. And the dingo is always hungry and always dusty. Always hungry. Hungry means yavaglu. Always means on every occasion, on each and every day, the dingo was very hungry and dusty. Dusty means fully covered with the dust. Covered with the dust, we call it as the dusty. Means a ಒಂದು dog ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, full dusty ಆಗಿತ್ತು and he was very hungry. Next, Enkong showed Dingo the kangaroo and shouted. Enkong called the dingo and showed the kangaroo. The Enkong showed the dingo to the kangaroo and shouted that, Dingo wake up. The god shouted that, Dingo wake up. Dingo, do you see that kangaroo? The god said that, Dingo wake up. Did you see that kangaroo? He wants to be popular and sought after, make him so. And the god said, the kangaroo is wanted to be popular and sought after, and so make him so. The kangaroo is wanted to become so popular and different from other animals, so make him so. The god said, make him Dingo wake up. The dingo was sleeping, so the god said that, wake up Dingo, and told the situation of the kangaroo. Next, what happens? Turn the page number 18. Okay. Up jumped the dingo, a yellow dog. Up jumped jumped the dingo, a yellow dog, always hungry and dusty, and began to run after the kangaroo. Off went the kangaroo on his 4 short legs like a rabbit. By hearing the gods by the god whose and Kwang, the dog is followed to the that kangaroo. Up jumped Dingo, a yellow dog, always hungry and dusty. He began to run after the kangaroo. Means he started to chase the dog. The dog is started to chase the kangaroo. Okay. Next, what happens? Off went the kangaroo on his 4 short legs like a rabbit. In the long ago, the kangaroo is look like a rabbit. How the rabbit is having 4 legs? No, like that the kangaroo is also having 4 short legs. So the kangaroo started to run with these 4 legs. Look at the picture. And this is the dingo, yellow dog, and this is the kangaroo. Okay. He ran through the desert. He ran through the mountains. He ran through the swamps. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡಾಗ್ ಡಿಂಗು ಆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೂನ ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರ ಬೆನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿದಾಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೂ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಾಂಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೆಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ swamps. Make a list of new words. Swamps means wetland area. Okay, wetland area. He ran until his front legs ached. The kangaroo ran until his front legs ached. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲು ನೋವಾಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂತೆ kangaroo ಓಡಿ ಹೋಯ್ತಂತೆ. He had to means the dog had to. ಇಬ್ರು ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಓಡಿ ಟಯರ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ರು. Still ran Dingo, always hungry and always dusty. The dog was very hungry and always dusty. Still ran the kangaroo, old man kangaroo. Still ran the kangaroo, old man kangaroo means ಓಡ್ತಾ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಂತೆ ಆ kangaroo ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಂತೆ. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, kangarooಗೆ ವಯಸ್ಸೇ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಂತೆ. The kangaroo become old man. He ran through the trees, he ran through the long grass, he ran through the short grass, he ran until his hind legs ached. Okay, next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ kangaroo? Old man kangaroo ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ he ran through the trees, ಮರಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ಓಡ್ತು. Next he ran through the long grass, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹುಲ್ಲೊಳಗಡೆ ಓಡ್ತು, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಲ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ತು. ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಲ್ಲು, long grass and the short grass. He ran until his hind legs ached means ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲು ನೋವಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಓಡ್ತು. ಹೈಂಡ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಹೈಂಡ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲು ನೋವಾಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಅದು ಓಡಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು. He had to means the dingo had to. The both ran. They ran until they came to the Ulong river. Till from which place they ran? They ran until the river came. There was one river came, that name is Ulong river. The river name is Ulong river. There was no bridge on the river. Bridge means the path that goes over. The path that goes over a river means you need to cross that river by from one place to another place. Means there is one bridge that we call it as the bridge. But there was no bridge on the river. For that river there was no bridge. But the kangaroo was wanted to become the safe from that dog. What happens? There was no ferry. Ferry means boat. Here ferry means boat. F-E-R-R-Y. Ferry means boat. Even there was no boat also on that river. There is no boat also. There is no ferry. The kangaroo did not know how to cross the river. There in front there is a river and behind of the kangaroo there is a dog, Dingo. So the kangaroo did not know how to cross the kangaroo wanted to cross that river, but the kangaroo did not know how to cross the river. Here what was the name of the river that the kangaroo and dingo came to? What was the river? What is the river name? The river name is Ullang River. Okay. So he stood on his legs and began to hop. They both stood on his legs and began to hop. Sorry, here the kangaroo stood on his legs means ಆ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತಂತೆ. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಂಗ್ರು ಮುಂದಿನ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂತೆ, ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ತಂತೆ. ಹಿ ಹಾಪ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಪ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಪ್ಡ್, ಜಿಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಜಿಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೂ ಡಸ್ ನೌ ಡೇಸ್. ಇವಾಗಿನ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೂಗಳು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಜಿಗಿತಾವಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಜಿಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. he tucked up his front legs. Tucked up means push or hold or turn something so as to hide or secure. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋತದು. ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎರಡು ಕಾಲುಗಳ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲುಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಓಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. he hopped with his hind legs. he hopped ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತನ್ನ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಜಿಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. his hind legs became longer and stronger. ಸೊ ಜಿಗಿತಾ ಜಿಗಿತಾ ಅದರ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಉದ್ದ ಆಯ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆದ್ವು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಅಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಕ್, ದಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ದಿ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗರ್. Isn't it? So like that, the kangaroo's behind legs became very stronger and longer. His tail became longer, broader and stronger. Even though the kangaroo's tail also became longer, stronger and broader. Broader means agala. He no longer looked like a rabbit. So by hopping this, the kangaroo became changed. He no looked like a rabbit. Now the look of the kangaroo got changed. Earlier the kangaroo used to look like a rabbit, but nowadays the kangaroo is not look like a rabbit. Poor dog Dingo, always hungry and always dusty. That dog finally never catched that kangaroo, and the dingo is always hungry and dusty. He was tired of running. The dog Dingo was tired of running. He could not catch the kangaroo. Down sat Dingo. He sat down and panted with his tongue hanging out. Finally, the dingo could not catch the kangaroo, and there was a last paragraph is there. We'll continue that in the next class, and also we'll solve exercise. Till then, you make a list of new words. Okay, and read the lesson, understand the new words, understand the lesson. Okay, thank you. Good morning, dear students. Okay, in the previous class we discussed about the lessons and the activity sheets. Today I am going to teach you the next lesson, that is lesson number 3. Before starting the lesson, we'll say one prayer. All of you close your eyes and say the prayer along with me. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay. Slowly open your eyes. Now also open your textbook, page number 16. That is lesson number 3, Old Man Kangaroo. The lesson name is Old Man Kangaroo. Here they have given the sum, match the following. Match the columns to learn how different animals move. The movement of the animals, how they will move, you can match to these. For example, bird. How the bird will move? It is crawls or the swims or the fly or the hops. The bird will fly. So you can match this to C. The first bird will fly. Next, kangaroo. What does the kangaroo do? It hops. Next, fish. Fish can swim in the water. Snake. The remaining last one is crawl. So snake is crawls. Okay? Match like this. And also, if possible, collect other animals' movement also. How they will move? Some animals jump, isn't it? Some animals will run slowly. Some animals will walk, isn't it? So collect that. And also you know that are the domestic animals and what are the wild animals. So have you seen the kangaroo? I think you have not seen originally, but in the pictures you have seen. I hope so. Isn't it? In the picture you have seen how the kangaroo looks. It looks very funny, no? That nose and that tail, isn't it? So this lesson is about the kangaroo only. We'll start the lesson now. Concentrate. Keep concentration on your text. Let us read. Have you ever seen a kangaroo? He is an animal that looks funny. Means the kangaroo is having the funny look. He is like no other animal in the world. He can run and hop very fast and lives in Australia. Where the kangaroos will live? The kangaroos live in the Australia. The native place of kangaroo is Australia. For example, where you live? You live in your hometown, isn't it? Like that, the kangaroo lives in the Australia. He can run and hop very fast. He can run means the kangaroo can run and hop. Hop means ಜಿಗಿಯೋದು, jump. ಜಿಗಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Hop. He can hop very fast. Do you know how the kangaroo learned hop so fast and why he looks so funny? Read this story. So do you know why the kangaroo jumps? What is the reason for the jumping of kangaroo? What is the reason for the kangaroo hops? And why that kangaroo hops so fast? See, you can see in the animations pictures, the kangaroo will run very fast, isn't it? So do you know the reason? We'll come to know that reason by reading this lesson. After this lesson, end of the lesson, you will come to know why the kangaroo hops very fast. Okay. Long ago, the kangaroo did not look like the one shown here. In the textbook, they have given the picture of the kangaroo. Observe it carefully. The kangaroo's eyes and the nose, tail, everything you need to observe in the picture. He was a small woolly animal. He was a small woolly animal. Woolly means like a wool. How the wool will look? No, like that. Okay, looking like a wool, we call it as the woolly. Okay. Next, he was a small means how the rabbit size, how the rabbit looks, no, like that. The kangaroo was very small before. Long ago, the kangaroo size was very small. The kangaroo was very small and it has the look of woolly look. And looked more like a rabbit. He had a 4 short legs and looked more like a rabbit. The kangaroo is having the 4 short legs. Have you seen the rabbit? You know that how many legs the rabbit has. The rabbit is having 4 short legs, isn't it? Like that, the kangaroo is also having the 4 short legs and looked more like a rabbit. It looks like nothing like that, the rabbit only, but the color is changed. He was very proud of himself. He means here the kangaroo was proud of himself. He thought that he is only leader, he is only top. Oh yes, he was very proud indeed. The kangaroo was very proud indeed. Here there are some new words are there. The kangaroo means an Australian animal that moves by hopping and jumping. Funny means causing a laughter. The reason for the laughter, we call it as the funny. Next, woolly means looking like a wool. Next, proud means a feeling of a being better than others. Proud means feeling different than the other beings. Got to know? Yes, proud means ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೇ ಮೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯನ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Next, what happens? Turn the page number 17. The kangaroo danced in the desert in the middle of Australia. So, the Australia is the one country. How our India is country, no, like that. The Australia is also one of the country name. And in the Australia, there is some deserts are there. Desert means ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಒಂದು ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಇತ್ತು. The kangaroo danced in the desert in the middle of Australia. ಆ ಒಂದು ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು? ಮಿಡಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾದ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. He wanted to look different from all the animals. The kangaroo is having one wish that he wanted to look different from the other animals. Means always the kangaroo thought that he is only great. He is only proud of himself. The kangaroo is proud of himself, so he wanted to become the different from the other animals. He wanted to be the most popular animal, and also the kangaroo wanted that he wanted to become the most popular animal. Popular means liked or enjoyed by many people. Means many people. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು? ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾರು? ಕಾಂಗ್ರೂ. The kangaroo wanted to become very popular. So he went to the little god Inkwal. He went to the little god Inkwal. Here NQA is there, but you need to pronounce that as Inkwal. Okay. So ಕಾಂಗ್ರೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಗಾಡ್, ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. ಆ ಗಾಡ್ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಇನ್ಕ್ವಾಲ್. ಗಾಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ವಾಲ್. The kangaroo went near to the Inkwal, god Inkwal. He went to the little god Inkwal and said, little god, observe it here carefully. Here they have mentioned that little god Inkwal, make me different from other animals. Kangaroo said that, God, make me different than other animals. What the god replied? Any guesses? He up jumped the little god Inkwal and shouted. Suddenly the little god, what they did is up jumped little god Inkwal and said, go away. They said, the little god said to the kangaroo that, go away. The kangaroo went away dancing in the desert in the middle of Australia. So the kangaroo went back with the dancing in the middle of Australia. Next what happens? He was very proud of himself. He was very proud indeed.